Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already have. Run Python 3 version and which Python 3 so you know the baseline. Once done, update apt and upgrade to avoid dependency conflicts. Then install Python, pip, venv, and build tools so compilation and packaging work smoothly. This gets you a reproducible system environment. Make sure to note versions, because later steps create virtual environments tied to that interpreter. Now that core tools are in place, we move into creating isolated projects. You create a virtual environment to isolate project dependencies, Python 3m venv. Venv, then source. venv/bin/activate. Once active, upgrade pip so wheels install correctly and install packages you need, freeze them to requirements. txd for reproducibility. Next, set up your editor, choose VS Code or a lightweight editor, and select the virtual environment interpreter so linting and run configurations match. After that, run simple scripts to verify imports and interpreter behavior. You run your code with Python main, py or Python m package, module to respect package entry points. This ensures relative imports work. When packaging, upgrade build and run Python m build to produce wheels and source archives. For deployment, use pip install dis/*. WHL inside a fresh environment to confirm portability. If something breaks, check that your virtual environment is activated, confirm path points to venv/bin. Inspect pip list for conflicting versions, and clear pip cache. This often resolves dependency mismatch problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.